So the last couple of days I've been spending some time thinking about the connection between a bookkeeper and a circus monkey. And I know that sounds a little bit strange because what possibly could the two have in connection with each other or in common with each other? And I want to put it out there that the correct answer to this question should probably be absolutely nothing, but is that the case? And when I got started thinking about this, goes back a couple of years actually. I had a client come into my office and he was looking for some help with his books. And while we were sitting down during our initial consultation, we were just going over some of the things that he was expecting, some of the things he needed help with, and what my business had to offer him that would be of help to him. And while we were having that conversation, he actually passed the comment and said, I need to get this stuff done and I don't have the time to do it, but I don't want to spend a whole lot of money on it because, well, honestly, like any circus monkey can do books. And I had to laugh, like at the time I totally laughed right out loud because I was just so surprised that he actually said it out loud, because basically he was saying, there's no value to what you do, but I need to get this done, and I can't do it myself, but I don't want to pay you to do it. So it was just kind of humorous to me at the time. But after that, it did get me thinking, is that what business owners really think that bookkeepers are good for? Do they think that all that we can do for them is kind of organize their papers and get them in a nice format so that they can get their taxes done? Because the other side to that is if that is all that bookkeepers are able to do, then, maybe he's right. Maybe you only need a circus monkey to do your books. But I want to just point out that, or I guess bring to your attention that if the only thing you think that your bookkeeper can bring to the table is getting your papers ready for tax time, then I really think you're probably missing out on a lot of value and a lot of things that they can do to help you get your business, move it forward into the future and help it grow and develop. And I just want to point out maybe some of those things so that you can be aware and hopefully get the most value possible out of your bookkeeping relationship. So number one, obviously, definitely, yes, they can organize your paperwork. They can get it entered into the computer so that it can be generating some reports for your government taxes. Definitely, that's one thing that they could and should be doing for you and doing it well. But on top of that, they should actually be saving you money as well. One of the ways they can save you money is by just knowing the day-to-day operations of your company. When you're out there busy generating income, you can't always be you're not always going to be aware of what's due and when it's due and how much you owe on different kind of things. And so your bookkeeper can help you save money by not having any late filing fees or interest or penalty fees, that kind of thing. Another thing that they can do is save you money at tax time. A good set of books will definitely decrease the amount of money that you're paying on your accountant's bill, but also will increase the amount of tax savings that you're getting from the government. Another way they can save you money is by streamlining your business processes. There's so much technology out there nowadays that can help save time, and of course, with time being money, save you money if they're utilized. A good bookkeeper should be aware of what those technologies or apps are and make those suggestions to you. They should be able to provide you with good financial info so that you're making wise financial decisions about where your business is going or where you're going next. And finally, they should be able to save you time and allow you to focus on what you do best, which is generating income in whatever your business is about and not on accounting processes. So just wanted to kind of bring those to your attention in case you weren't aware of what your bookkeeper can be doing for you. And if they're not doing these things for you, well, maybe it's time to be thinking about finding a new one And if you're doing your own books, maybe it's time to look to hire that out. Just whatever you're doing, don't get yourself a circus monkey.